Let's learn how to change the device name on an iPhone. If you want to change your device's name but don't know how, you don't have to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. First thing you need to do is open the Settings app. Once you have opened Settings, you will find yourself on a page with many options. Among all these options, you need to click on the one labeled General. After clicking on that option, a page will open with several options that are unnecessary for this tutorial. On that page, out of all these options, you need to click on the About option, which is located at the top of the page. Once you have clicked on that option, a page with some information about your device will open. But among all this information, you need to click on Name, which is located at the top of the page. After clicking on that, a page will open where your device's name is displayed. On that page, you need to click on your device's name and write whatever you want. Once you have written it, you have successfully changed the name of your iPhone device. This was a tutorial on how to change the name of your device on iPhone. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.